working on securing the seat cover so that it'll be a little bit more snug and not come off every time I jump in the truck. And now we're gonna address cosmetics. Okay guys, I got my wheels pretty much straight, and I got the puller on here. Already started getting the steering wheel off, so it should come off pretty easily. Get the new one on. So this is the second time putting the steering wheel on. Before I had the wheels straight, but then it was just enough to be straight. So once I started actually rolling forward and back, the steering wheel was cocked off. So I wound up taking the complete thing off again and trying to realign it. So we're gonna go for a little test drive to see how we did. So we're going straight, steering wheel's lined up. That was enough to drive me crazy. So anyway, I got to pull back around. Okay, we got the new steering wheel in. I'll admit the diameter is a little bit smaller than I thought it was going to be compared to the other wheel. Going to take some just visually getting used to. Otherwise, it works pretty good. The vents have some old leaves in them, so whenever I go for a drive, no matter how many times I vacuum it out, it keeps kind of blowing some old leaves. But overall, kind of increases the look of the truck. My next step is I'm going to start kind of working on cleaning the dash up as good as I can. It's pretty dirty. So got a couple of things taken care of on this short weekend. Anyway, did wash the truck, and we already talked about the inside, but was chasing this electrical taillight issue. It seems like at times the lights both work, at times they don't. I replaced the bulbs, so it's not the bulbs. I did kind of fiddle around with some of the wires underneath the taillights, and I think I found my issue. It's just gonna take more time than I have right now. Next steps are, I think I'm going to clean up this bumper, get it painted black, and my friend Andy mentioned he would be able to fix the rust and pull the dents on this truck. I still don't think I plan on painting it. I pretty much like the way that it looks right now, but let me know what you guys think. It's kind of a short video, kind of a short weekend. Talk to you guys later.